Hi guys, thanks for watching guys, thanks for joining me. Guys, we're going to be showing guys this beautiful piece of blazer, I may call this, elegant and nice. And we're also going to be showing what's inside of my bag. Guys, very glamorous. And underneath that is a very flashy piece. This is my neon color top. It's a mock top, neon color. And we're going to be showing you what's inside of my bag, my gift bags, guys. As you can see, I have a very cool piece of gift bags, guys. And first item is my wallet. Isn't this beautiful and elegant and nice, guys? Flashy. They're kind of like diamonds. Is it diamonds or rhinestones? Yes, guys. This is beautiful. Classy.
No.
I love this piece. This piece is featuring on my collection, guys. You need to check it out. Check out my check this out. My wallet. And what's inside of the wallet? Let me show you the inside of it. You guys always want to know what's inside of it. I found a matching piece that goes along with it. Very beautiful, very elegant, guys. And I'm going to show you how gorgeous this is. Yes, we're going to continue to show you some of the best designs. These are some designer collection of the rainbow.
And she used to come here when she was little.
It matches. Do you guys see this? This is for a beautiful, gorgeous night out. Yes. You come closer to the camera so I can model this piece for you.